Welcome again. I am just starting this painting and I'm very excited because I'm just first time using a black canvas directly to paint with the acrylic paints. So let me start the video, and before I start the painting, there's a small request to comment your suggestions. I'm not expecting comments and likes and general things. You will do definitely if you like my paintings and my videos. I'm just I'm wanting some suggestions to make videos on particular color mediums that you like, particular object or animal or bird that you wanna see in this painting style. So I will definitely make a painting and explain also. I will also explain how to do the abstract painting, contemporary abstract painting, or anything, any painting with the acrylic paints. So let's start. I'm just using golden color to make an eagle, and this is very easy, not a big deal. If you are a beginner, you must draw with the white pencil over a black canvas. That is a small suggestion for you. As an artist, I am very comfortable with the acrylic paints to directly use on the canvas because I performed speed paintings also. The videos are also available on my another channel, that is name is art and design class. So there, in the playlist you can watch my live shows. I performed among thousands of peoples, and after the lockdown and during the lockdown I found this painting style, and I was interested to make modern art and contemporary art. So that's why nowadays I am doing contemporary abstract paintings. And in the acrylic painting, there are so many chances and opportunities to make layers. So that's why I'm trying with the small canvases also. And another reason for using the small canvas, acrylic paints dry very fast. And in my characterism abstract style, the texture style, I need a final layer that may not, that must not dry very fast. Okay. After watching this painting, the face of the eagle, you may be confused. It may be like hen, but there is a story behind this painting. And while an eagle struggling among water space, or he he's sweating, like he's sweating, so how his hairs on his neck will appear just like that. So that's why this is looking like that. And this eagle is struggling, but he is brave. The emotion is brave, and he have calm. And this eagle is waiting for a good time, for a perfect time, and he's not in the problem. He is just enjoying his life, but with the calmness. Look at his eyes. He's not angry, he's just thinking. He's just waiting for a good opportunity. While you wait for an opportunity, what you want to do, what you must do, you must calm down and collect your all the energies, all the positive energies, your gratitude, your all the powers will get together, and on the right time you will do something best. And in the darkness, there is a good appearance of the bright things, a little bright things. इन हिंदी एक चिंगारी को जब अंधेरा मिलता है तो अंधेरे में वो बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगती है, अंधेरे में उसका विजुअल ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट करता है. If you are my Hindi viewer, so you can understand very well. For my international clients and the international viewers, I am just making these videos in English. And for the metallic effect in the background, I am using golden color plus cobalt blue. Yes, I have mixed cobalt blue with golden color. So that's why this is looking like that, a metallic effect in the blue color. And finally all the layers are dried, and now I am using the black thin layer over whole the canvas. And further, what I do always. If you never seen my videos, um, I'm doing for you. I'm just painting the blue color to cover up the canvas, and after this layer, before drying this layer, I will start texturing. Yes, how to make textures in my style, in my characterism, abstract style. Uh, all the brush strokes must be fine, uh, or if the layer is even for every space on the canvas, so it will be better. And after just uh, doing this paint, I will use some metallic things like nails, or a painting knife, or a vegetable knife also can be used. Any sharp object you can use. So here is the technique how to make textures uh, in abstract painting or any kind of painting. If you wanna make textures, so you can use this characterism style. But don't forget to tag me on YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere that you post your paintings in this style. As always, acrylic paints dries very fast. So especially in the acrylic painting, I do very fast. So there is no big time space. I'm just making the scratches, and also um, in my mind I'm just mentioning that where is the figure of the eagle. Okay, and if the layer is thin, so I can look in the video. This is tough to watch that where is the figure of that eagle, but directly I am able to see. And I have in my mind, I have a roadmap to how to make these textures. Even the figure is not looking up, and layer by layer there are also layers of textures. uh, in the beginning I was doing small textures, and on the last layer, after these all, I will make some bigger and thinner, very thin textures. So keep in mind, uh, all the layers and all the textures will make it a 3D, and a little depth in the painting. So, and depth is very necessary, because most of the people want to think about the painting, not looking and enjoying the painting, how it is looking real or not, it doesn't matter. People must be connected to the art. Contemporary abstract art, especially in the on the canvas, in the galleries, or whenever you see, people want to connect themselves with the art. And before you see anything, there must be a depth, because the human minds have the depth, have the all the depths. If he can't understand, but without understanding, creating such understanding, all the humans have depth in their mind. So this depth directly connect to the human, and it it appears like a rich content. So this painting may be used as a showpiece in your offices, in your house, in your luxurious spaces. This is a small request to you. If you really like my artworks, you can follow me on my Instagram page, and comment about this painting, and on the other videos also. um, I wanna get some suggestions of you. If you wanna see some desirable paintings, I will make customized paintings for you.